Hi, I'm Mike. I'm with the Doctor's Toy Store. Today's topic is about stem cells and how they can be used in the body and what's the best way to keep them and harvest them. Now, many people know that there are specialized cells in the body. There's blood, lung, fat, tissue, all types of specialized cells. Now, stem cells are dormant cells that have not been specialized yet, and they can differentiate into any other type of cell. What is the best way to harvest the stem cells? Well, we found out through research that it's not from bone marrow, it's not from teeth, it's actually from adipose tissue, which is essentially fat tissue in the body. So what you have here is the VASER. This is the best way to actually get viable stem cells from the fatty tissue from the body, because you emulsify the fat before suctioning out, making sure that all the stem cells are actually intact and not destroyed. So you have the fat, and then you have the stem cells inside the fatty cells. That is actually taken out of the body using regular suction after using the VASER to emulsify it, put into a centrifuge. The centrifuge spins, it disassembles pretty much the fat and the stem cells, and you're left with this paste. That paste can actually be re-injected into joints, re-injected into the face, and all those dormant stem cells are actually differentiated into that tissue, and they become to repair and regenerate that tissue. You can also use platelet-rich plasma mixed with the stem cells to further your regenerative process. So here at the Doctor's Toy Store, we do sell everything that has to do with stem cells. We have the VASER, the Liposuction itself, and then power-assisted lipo. We also have the C-arms, everything you possibly need to build your practice. So please give us a call, 877-DRS-TOYS.